Yo, what's going on, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be practicing some algebra, and this is Algebra 1, okay? So yeah, let's get it. It's gonna cover variables, expressions, equations, PEMDAS, evaluating expressions, solving linear equations, one-step, two-step, multi-step, variables on both sides, and literal equations. That's a lot. That's a lot of stuff, but we're gonna do it anyway. Okay. Ignore my setup, guys. I am super messy. I am sorry. Okay. So to do this, we're gonna be doing it on this, this right here. See ya. Okay. Identify the variable. Oh, this one doesn't really require me to do it. We're just gonna do it right here. So A, this is X. B, this is Y. This is really easy, guys. For this first part, it's gonna be really easy. So, yeah. So the difference between an equation and expression is basically an equation has an equal sign, expression is just like a segment, like a side of it. So this right here, if it didn't have an equal sign, it'd be a segment. Or sorry, not a segment. Oh my god. So this right here would be an expression if there was no equal sign, right? And then it led to the outcome. If there's no outcome, then it's just an expression. That's what I'm saying. This right here is an expression. Okay. Order of operations. I think you guys remember this one. Let's go ahead and do this real quick. Uh, 3 plus 12. This is 15. Parentheses first. It's 30. Parentheses first. 3 minus 4 squared. That's going to be 16. That's going to be 13. Right. Evaluate the expression. Okay. So this is where things start getting a little more complicated, so let's get into it. I think I can still do it on this paper. This could be 6 plus 4. Okay. Okay, if we have to simplify it, this is the answers, but if we don't, then it's just this. I'm not sure on that one. So yeah, we're gonna find out on the answer key. Don't worry, guys. Yeah. Okay. So I think I can still do this one on paper. So we're gonna, on this paper specifically. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. Let's do this one over here. This one step. I think that's a fraction. Let me clarify. That should be a fraction, guys. Yeah, I'm assuming that's a fraction. So we're just gonna treat it like that. Hold on, let me see if the answer key prints this. Don't worry, I'm not looking at any of the answers. I'm just looking at this specific question. Yeah, it's a fraction, guys. Alright. So, here's what this means. We're basically going to multiply both sides once we get to that answer. But, for now, we're just going to do this. So this is what it actually looks like. It's just the printer did something really weird. So we're going to do this. Which means x is equal to 20. Boom. Okay, now is when I'm maybe not. Hold on. We'll see. So as you can see, guys, this is what I meant. I think I might have to use the notebook paper because this is taking up a lot of space for the little space we have. We have a lot of space on notebook though. Alright guys, so now this part might trip you up. I'm gonna go over it real quick. Basically, we're solving for h, right? And we're gonna apply all this stuff that I just did to get these variables factored out. So all this is gonna be, let's divide both sides by b. H is equal to a over b. It's that simple. So we're solving for r. 2 pi sorry, r is equal to not 2 pi on top. What am I doing? C over 2 pi. Boom. If we're solving for r here, we divide by t. It gives us r equals d over t. Bam. It's that simple, guys. Once you get the hang of it, it's like boom, boom, boom. So here we would subtract by b first before dividing. Okay. And the reason why we gotta do that is because we can't simplify by we can't divide both sides by a variable if there's like a leftover variable that can just be put on top, right? I think that's why, which is why I kind of do it first, but if you look it up, it's pretty much going to tell you you have to subtract first. So I just do this. I wish I could explain a better explanation, but that's kind of, you just got to do it, you know? Okay, which means m is equal to 1 minus b over x. Boom. Alright guys, that's the quiz. Peace out. Oh wait, before we peace out, I guess we gotta check our answers, so let's see that. I know I said peace out, but we should probably check our answers. Okay, let's see how good we got. X, Y, Z. Okay. Equation, expression, equation, expression. 4 out of 4. Order of operations. Oh, in case you guys are wondering, here, let me show the answers real quick. Yeah, it's 3 out of 3. Alright, what I'm more concerned about is what's on the back. Ah! So we're not fully simplifying yet in Algebra 1. Got it. Okay. So I kind of simplified, but let me see where it's at. This answer. This right here, we're not supposed to fully simplify. It's actually supposed to stay like this. So, yeah. Anyway. Let's see. I'll give myself partial credit on that. So we'll do 2.5 over 3. because I just gotta recap that concept. So, okay. So as you guys can see, 10, 25, negative 7. 10, 25, negative 7. 3 out of 3. Alright, 12, 5, 25. 12, 5, 25. Cool. 4 out of 4. Let's see, 4. I should have got 9. I did. Oh, this is, yeah, 2.5. I already graded it. Okay. A divided by B, yeah. 2n, or sorry, 2 pi. And D divided by C, okay. Boom, guys. So, if you guys want to check, boom, 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 boom. Yes, sir. So that's our final score. Yeah.